should be skin. See the difference. Last point पे पता चलता है कि वो हो ही नहीं रही. It saves money, a lot of money. Makeup routine, girls. This is very beautiful. Hello, welcome back to Namotion Makeup Tutorials. Maybe some of you are graduating, including me. This year we are going to create video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get every notification of my new video. Quickly, let's get into the video. The most important part of your makeup routine should be skincare. Because जितना अच्छे से स्किन प्राइम्ड होगा, जितना अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज होगा, उतना अच्छे से आपका मेकअप लेयर होगा स्किन पे. And this should be your priority. So first I'm using this fixing spray. It just gives a toning effect to my skin. Just let it dry for 3 to 5 seconds. I'm gonna prime my skin with this facial oil. You can skip this part if you think that oil are not suitable. I'm gonna give a good massage to my face so it just doesn't look sleepy all the time, and you can see the glow, right? Primer, I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. This is a very good silicone based primer. Large pores hain, I do have large pores. It will just blurs them out very effectively, see, and also mattify your skin a bit. For that dewiness in your skin, I'm using on your skin this Lakme Lumi cream. I have already told you guys that I love this Lumi cream so much. As you can see the effect yourself. This is very beautiful. I'm telling you, you have to include this in your makeup routine, girls. Skin is primed. Now we are going to move on to our eyes, and let's get into the beautiful eyes making. Let me bring you a little close, guys. Conceal if you have pigmentation on your eyes. I do have little bit of pigmentation going on. इससे मेरी आई शेडोज और भी ज़्यादा पॉप होंगी और बहुत अच्छे से मेरी स्किन पे दिखेंगी. बहुत कम लूज पाउडर से you have to set it. Okay? Don't go over the board. Starting off with a brown and a orange eyeshadow. Tap it. I'm starting with a orange base because मैं पूरे eyelid पे इसको लगा लिया है. कोई सा भी एक कलर लेके आप अच्छे से अपने eyelid पे पूरे eyelid पे लगा लो. That's it. Take any flat brush or small brush like this if you have. You can use a cotton bud also. हमें अभी से स्मच करना है बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे. I would suggest do with kajal because kajal बहुत easily blend हो जाते हैं. See, this is a very faded version of liner or kajal. So it's almost blended. It can be your final look because smudge eyeliner and eyeliner niche can be your full makeup eye look. I'm going to smoke it out with brown eyeshadows and a little bit of shimmer. Took a brown eyeshadow and I'm just circulating. जो eyeliner के edges थे उनको we are blending. Then I'm taking a very light eyeshadow and ऊपर से I'm blending नीचे. It's almost done. And I'm just gonna line Then I'm taking the lightest shade of the palette on a cotton bud. See the difference? ये आई इस आई से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है और बड़ी लग रही है. final step is mascara, always my favorite step. Now we are going to do our base, dewy skin-like base. So let's get to the base. Foundation, I'm gonna use K Beauty foundation in the shade 135 medium. I'm a neutral medium skin tone and this can suit to a medium skin tone as well. If you want to buy a good foundation, I will highly recommend this one. It's a very light coverage dewy foundation. I have always been a fan of these kind of buff brushes, but these days I'm loving a sponge. This is a very good sponge. I will link it below in the description box. आपको तब तक ब्लेंड करना है जब तक आपके हाथ नहीं दुख जाते.
One eternity later.
How you blend this really matters because the finish is so important. इनमें जब मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता है तो blending should be top notch. So blend really well. Oh, don't forget your neck. A little bit of concealer. If you want a little more coverage, just wait and let it settle on your skin for a bit and then blend it. So उससे coverage और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है. I have a pimple here. I'll just put a dot here and let it dry for a while. So it can just conceal that area gorgeously. Now it's been a couple of minutes and I'm going to blend it. जब मैं 12th में थी I didn't actually got any farewell. I was so disappointed. मैंने अपना सूट भी चूज़ कर लिया था what I'm going to wear and the jewelry and you know I colored my hair for my school farewell and last moment पे पता चलता है कि वो हो ही नहीं रही. And I was so disappointed that time. But it's fine. I'm going to have a good farewell in my college. So let's hope for the best. सारे क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स को एक बार अप्लाई कर लेते हैं ताकि अगर हम इसके ऊपर कॉम्पैक्ट लगाएं या फिर लूज पाउडर लगाएं तो वो केक ही ना हो. So now I'm going to do blush. I'm using a lipstick for my blush and you can use it too. Lipstick for blush is my favorite item. It saves money, a lot of money, because blushes are hell expensive like foundations. It looks gorgeous on the skin. Just choose a good blendable formula that can really embrace the dewiness. Now I'm taking Fit Me loose powder for baking. If you don't like baking, you can just use a compact underneath your eyes and this part and you are good to go. But I love a little bit baking, so I'm gonna do that. And just this. I'm going to let it settle for a while, for a few minutes, and that's it. And the leftover I'll put here. Dust it off very lightly. Don't forget your neck. Just putting a little bit of powder. Face is almost done. Doing a little bit of kajal. Make and connect this. That again flat brush. I'm going to smoke it. I want my lips to be a little subtle. I'm using a pink lipstick. A nude lipstick over it. So I'm using, and a quick tip, I'm using this lumi cream over my blush to give me a nice glow because I don't want chunky glitters, chunky highlighters to ruin my base. A little bit of this. See? This will give you a very subtle glow. Our makeup is almost done, and now for the dress. are going to do this makeup look right here. Do send me your photos on Instagram and comment down below. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.